Yeah. Hi, Sai. How are you?
I'm fine. What about you?
I'm good too. Thank you. So, can you tell us something about yourself?
Um, Myself, Venkat Sai Kumar. Basically, I'm from Vijayawada, Andhra Pradesh. And about my education, I did my graduation from PV at the College of Arts and Science, Vijayawada, Andhra Pradesh. In terms of my career, I have 3+ years of experience in software testing. And about my projects, I started in my projects as a junior test engineer. I worked for banking projects, and also subsequently I worked for a manual and automation tester for educational domain. So in these projects, I played a key role in writing the test cases and executing the test cases and raising the bug in defect management tool, and
Great.
also in automation testing, I involved in developing the framework like reusable methods, and also involved in the peer reviews for reviewing the team test cases, and yeah, that's all about it.
Mm-hmm. So, which is the programming language that you are comfortable with?
Java.
Java. Okay, great. Fine. So now, how much would you rate yourself in core Java? Let's say 1 being the lowest and 10 being the highest. So how much would you rate yourself?
um, 3.5. 3 in out of 10.
Yeah, yeah, out of 10.
Out of 10 I can 6.
6, 6. Okay, okay, great. So now you need to tell me the output of this program. So what will be the output of this program? So let me share my screen. Yeah, yeah. Is my screen visible?
Yes, yes.
Mm, yeah. So this is one of the class, and we have got main method, we have got array, and we are printing system.out.print, right? So what would be the output of this Java program?
Output of this Java program. Mm, Index of -2. -6. I think
Mhm.
we didn't get exception. Like
Absolutely
here,
correct answer. Yeah, yeah.
you are providing in system.out.println array the index value you are providing -2.
Mm-hmm.
So I think we will get exception.
Correct, correct. So we'll get the exception
Array
at the,
out of
yeah. So array
out
out
of
of bound exception will come because -2 index is out of
yes,
the
yes,
range itself.
out of,
Right? Yeah. So that's a good thing. So good answer you gave. Okay. Now what are packages in Java?
packages and um, we have um, different types of public private
Mhm.
packages, and
Uh, no, no, public, private are access
access modifiers.
modifiers, right? What are packages? You would have used packages in your automation framework if you are able to recall a
Yeah,
bit.
yeah.
Mm, mm,
For about Java, we have Java.util packages, Java dot
mm,
Java.io packages,
mm.
and mostly apart from that we use TestNG packages, and also for Java dot Apache POI packages.
Okay. Okay, so those are the names of the packages that you are telling. But what are packages actually? What do you mean when I say there are packages, you know? So what do you mean by packages? Hmm.
Uh, Prasanna, I'm unable to recall that
No
question.
worries, no worries. That's totally fine, right? So when you can say packages, so packages means a group of related types of classes that you put them together. You can group them together, or interfaces, right? You'll group them
Mm,
together, providing access to some protection and namespace. So those are the
mm,
things that you will club together, that you will put
yes.
together itself,
Put
right? So
package.
yeah, yeah. So if you take an example of few cold drinks, right? So those you will
Mm,
pack them, you will package them together, whether it's a orange one or it's a black one, it's a package, right?
yes,
Why do we use packages? Because we have to make sure that there are no conflicts in naming or in access control
yes, yes.
and we don't find any challenges in using any particular classes or interfaces, then we'll go for packages. Okay, it is easier to locate the related classes or interface that needs
Package.
to be used, right? That's why we go for packages. Okay, great. So now let's, okay. So now let me share my screen.
Yes.
Okay, and we'll discuss for one more Java program. Yeah. So now is my screen visible? Not visible?
Not visible.
Okay, now is it visible?
Yeah, yeah. Yes,
Hmm.
yes.
So what would be the output of this program? There are two for loops
Mm,
now we have here.
yes.
Hmm.
Two dimension. I mean,
Hmm.
on an- So the output will be 11, 22, and in next line 33, 44, and 55.
Hmm. Hmm. Why do you think it will go to the next line?
Here you, oh, no, no, no.
It will not go to the next line, right?
It will not go to, okay, okay, okay. You write
Yeah,
print L line.
yeah, yeah.
Mm.
So there is a
Mm.
difference print and println, right? So
And print,
accordingly,
print
yeah,
L
the
line.
output will
Mm.
be there. Yeah. So partial correct you gave. Maybe if you can rethink once again, you are going in the right direction. Yeah.
Mm. Zero, one, zero, 11, plus print L line. Is of um, 20, okay. In column we will get 11, 22, and in second column we will get 33, 44, and 55.
Mm-hmm. Do you think 55 you would get in the output?
55 actually. You are assigning in third value also. I thought that it will take.
Oh, okay. So let me show you the output. See, uh, oh, my screen sharing got stopped. Just a second. Yeah. So
11,
output would be 11, 22, 33, and 44, right? And see, array dot length, what it would return. So we are traversing the in the for loop with respect to number of times of array dot length, right? So
yes,
the
or
it,
dot
it will
line.
return two of the array size, right? So you would get 11, 22, 33, and 44,
11,
right?
33.
Array
Yes,
size
yes.
will be of 2. Okay,
Oh,
so this is done. Okay, can we declare pointer in Java?
pointers.
Mhm.
I'm not aware of that topic. Pointers.
Right, right. So Java does not support pointers at all, right? So you cannot declare pointers in
Oh,
Java. Okay. Okay. What is the default value of byte data type in Java?
by the default data type.
Mhm.
Um, integer.
Default value would be 0.
Default value zero.
Yeah, yeah,
Zero.
0. Yeah. Okay. Now, can
Mm.
you explain the different data types in Java? Which are the different data types in Java?
Or in Java we have inter strings, string, double, float, character, and uh, strings, integers, strings, int, character, and
Mhm.
double,
Double. Okay.
byte.
Byte. Right. Then.
That's all.
Okay, okay. So when you get this question, in a real-time interview, so you can explain there are two types of data types in Java, right? So
Primitive data
first,
types and non-primitive.
yeah. So first you will get primitive data type. So what are primitive data type, right? Those are single values. Non-primitive data type, or you can say the object data type, right? In primitive data type, again, there are subtypes: Boolean, byte, character, short,
Boolean.
int, long, float, double, right? And sometimes they might ask, sometimes they might not ask what is the storing storage of each particular thing. But on a nutshell, you would be asked about primitive and non-primitive data type. So you can explain. Now, when we see non-primitive data type, right? So those are strings, array, class, object, interface, right? These all things will come in the non-primitive data type. Okay, so primitive data type and non-primitive data type. Okay. Okay, now can you write the Java program to find the length of the string? And string is your name itself,
Yeah.
right? So I'm giving you screen sharing rights. So you need to click on this share screen button. Yeah,
Yes.
click on that share screen button and open IDE.
Yeah. This my
Yeah,
screen is
yeah,
visible.
visible, visible. Now can you open the IDE? Oh, great. Good, good wallpaper that you have on the machine. It looks like 3D image.
Yes. Only I have this
Okay.
is second administration. I opened in second. Can I write it in notepad?
Notepad. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Notepad is also fine.
Actually, my practice purpose, I use another administrator. So
Okay.
I log in into another administrator.
Okay. Okay. No worries. No worries. So when you go for real-time interview, then keep those settings such that if they tell you to open IDE, then you can write in IDE itself. Sometimes they might give you the online Java compiler also, and you can write in that,
Yes.
right? So your name is a string,
Mm.
and we need to find the length of the string. Hmm. So you have mentioned integer length equal to name, the string variable that you have declared. Okay,
Mm.
name dot length. Correct, correct. So you will get the
Mm.
output as the number of
Yes. Length on
characters.
length
Yeah,
of the name is total characters 1 to 21.
right, right. Correct, correct. Okay, so you are correct in this program. Okay, now can you write a program to reverse the string? How will you reverse a string in Java?
String.
Hmm,
String to-
So here, why are you going for I is greater than length? Don't you think I less than
So
equal to length will come here? No, I'm just asking, is there any thought process that you have that you are going for I is
yeah,
greater than length?
you said that
Yeah.
I so okay, okay. First I need to okay increment the value I value.
Mhm.
Then after here then I need to print. Um, first, reverse. That, is this correct, sir? Thought that it will print normal way.
So in the above line, above system.out.println, right? So what you have written, character
Mm.
of I equal to name dot character at I.
Mm, that,
Okay, okay. So there is slight modification also in that system.out.println you will have to write, right? So that typo you'll have to see. Okay. So
uh,
let me show you the solution.
mm, okay.
Mm, okay. Now, what we are supposed to do is the idea is to traverse the length of the string that you get in an interview, right? So string is, let's say, automation here. So what we will do is we'll extract each character while traversing, right? So you can see we
Mm,
have used for loop, right? String dot length, str dot length approach that you had taken,
yes, yes.
that method, and the for loop
Mm,
that we are going.
mm,
And we are writing str dot character at I. So at that particular index,
mm,
which is coming from the for loop I, at that particular index, which character is present. So that character
mm,
will get extracted, right? And then we will add that character in the front of the existing string. So we have to reverse, right? So the output should be from the backend side, right? So that's how we will add them in
I can
front
see.
of the string itself, right? Yeah. And system.out.println the reverse mode.
Mm,
Right? So simple.
yes,
Yeah.
student.
You were almost there. Yeah.
Mm,
But some slight modification of the code is required at this
some
particular
smell.
point, right?
Mm,
Great, great. Okay. So this was done. Then, okay. What is file input stream and what is file output stream?
file input and file output, those are we are using for handling Excel files. So with the help of file input stream, we can invoke that XML file,
Hmm.
and both are used for reading and writing the data in the XML file.
Okay, in XML file or in any file?
Uh, I
Hmm.
think that we can use for XML file only.
Okay, okay. So file input stream and file output stream, you are correct. Those are used to read and write data, and Java generally offers input output streams, right?
Input
So
streams.
file input stream in Java is used to read data from a file as a stream of bytes, right?
File.
So that's what it will do. And now this will be an open question for the people who are watching this video, that does file input stream and file output stream allows you to write and read data from only XML file, or does it supports any other file extension as well, right? Okay, so you need to put the answer in the comment section of the video. Okay, okay, Sai Kumar, I am done with the interview. Do you have any questions for me?
I thought that you will take interview on Selenium also.
Yeah, yeah. So we'll be
So I
connecting
prepared a lot
soon.
in Selenium.
Okay, okay, no
Okay.
worries.
Uh,
So what we will do is we'll be connecting with you for Selenium. So we
yeah.
can connect.
Mostly I prepared for, yeah.
Yeah.
Mostly I prepared for Selenium. That's what
Mhm.
I thought we can ask more
Okay.
questions on Selenium.
Right, right. No worries. So
Okay.
generally, whenever you will go for automation test interview, so you'll get both the questions on core Java as well as on Selenium, right? So maybe we can connect once again on Sunday for Selenium questions.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah, yeah. Thank you so much, Sai
Okay.
Kumar. It was nice
Thank you.
talking to you
Thank you very much.
and wish you all the best.
Me too also.
Yeah,
Thank you.
thank
Thank
you.
you very much.
Yeah,
Bye.
thank you.